adventure.
It's the final stretch of 2025, and life at the Jurica house is currently a high-speed collision of worlds. We've been navigating holiday parties, celebrating our first Hanukkah, Goy style, and closing out the books for Nexxtleft, all while I'm deep in the weeds of logistics for our unique Trex.com trip to Bhutan in just a few months. But amidst the holiday ham and the travel permits, we reached a milestone that feels like a late Christmas miracle. It's December 29th, and he has called me out to the camper. He's very excited. I'm not positive what's going on, but it looks like he's in here. Is he in here, Lulu? Yeah? Is he in here? Let's see what's going on. Hello. So you wanted me to come out to the camper? I think I might know what this is about.
Do you? I don't know if you do.
Yes, are we going to have electric in the new year? Oh.
Well, at least have AC.
That's pretty exciting.
Flip it over to that cool. I don't know how long it's going to work, but it is cooling right now.
Shut the doors so you don't let all the air out. Ooh.
It's only been running with the condenser on for 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
Oh, that feels nice.
So it is cooling.
Yay.
Like I said, I don't know how long it's going to stay pressurized and actually work, but it's got Freon in it. It's working right now.
Woohoo! That's exciting. That's one thing down. And you got the other lights working now, and yeah, you did. You got the bathroom and the yeah.
Yes. But not this.
And the refrigerator you got running. You did,
I didn't plug it in. I checked that.
Oh, you haven't.
Plug, but I didn't plug in the fridge.
So you don't know if the refrigerator works.
It's a brand new fridge.
So it's
The
not
circuit-
brand new anymore. It's a year old.
The circuit works.
Okay.
The fridge is new.
Yay! Air conditioning.
It is cooler. Look, it's only on medium. What is it on now? It's between cool, low, medium, and mid.
Yeah.
Mid for the colder side. And so that's not even. That's just midway for everything.
That'd cool down this place really quick. Woo woo! We have air. That means summer camping's possible.
And it's getting cold.
Oh, it is. It is. It is. Well, show me what you've been working on.
Okay, so, well, mostly all here.
The spaghetti monster.
Yeah. So, this is the 12-volt system.
Oh, you've got the.
Yeah, so let's see. Okay, listen.
Okay. The pump works for the water?
Pump is working. And it says the battery's topped off because that's running.
Because it's running through the
converter.
Okay.
Fresh tank is saying empty. Black tank is saying empty.
Woo.
And I don't know what's going on with the gray tank. It's
Still showing kinda.
a third full, so I either need to see maybe it does have water in it, or maybe it's just
A sensor, maybe.
Clean that sensor or something.
Well, just anything that works off of the old camper is miraculous. Because let's face it, when we bought the camper, you know, the guy hid so much. We didn't really know until now whether the air conditioner was going to work. And that's a big one because that's an $1,000 purchase. So that's huge. And the microwave, the light works. Yay, the microwave works.
Microwave's working.
Cool.
So that's hooked up through here.
What else? What else? What else?
Well, these lights are actually running off of
Shore power now?
Of shore power that we have over here for the 120.
How cool. Yay. Okay. All right.
And then, let's see if we can do...
Wait, you haven't finished with the kitchen yet.
Oh, yeah. So
the light.
And
And the fan.
two.
Wasn't it having some problems earlier?
It was.
What did it end up being? A grounding wire?
Yeah, one of the grounding negative wires. There's two of them, but there's only one power, so that one was
Cool.
It was up underneath. So got that,
Okay.
and then that
Light.
works, and then
Oh. Okay.
that turns the light off there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I'll film the light. Go ahead and do that again. Oh, yeah, you can
So
turn it
that's-
off
that's
from
for-
right
that's
inside the
for
door.
Almost all the. I think that's for that one too. This
So
one
if they're
for-
all on, you
so
can flip
come in
them.
through the door and flip it to where
The lights come on.
Lights come on.
That's nice.
This one is not working right now. It's probably corrosion. I need to.
You got it working for a little bit, but then
but then it started acting weird. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's, and I need to redo this harness here for the wiring.
okay.
Probably a new switch, maybe two new switches.
Which isn't bad. Again, with the amount of debris that was even in the lights,
Yeah.
and the amount of water in here.
This is not working, but I think that's all froze up because the motor's pretty rusty.
Okay.
So
Bathroom light.
Probably a new switch and a new fan for this one.
Yay!
So
the light works there.
Those are working. They
Cool.
all have LEDs, so they're ultra low
Voltage.
So
Cool. The refrigerator.
fridge. That's working.
Yay!
Listen.
Oh.
Listen. So that's working. Oh, and this power here is powering this.
The
So
Christmas
all of
tree
that-
lights, which won't stay up, but
Yeah.
for once the 7th gets here, January 7th.
This shows here. So that's
Oh,
for
cool.
USB. For extra lights there for 12 volt or
Nice.
charging phones.
Nice.
I was
And
having problems with this one and ended up pulling a wire that was not hooked up to this switch. It had ripped out whenever we went to install that one. This one's working.
yay!
And I don't know what else.
Outside,
Oh yeah, I can show.
you can show the shore power, and you can show the. Oh yes, our field desk. You got the new latch on
One
it.
latch. I need to cut this one out and put another one in.
Right.
That one, and then this is another. You can see the blue there.
Cool. All right.
I have not checked. I can check it with
Oh yes, the outdoor lights are on.
Yes, awesome.
Yep.
Okay. So that one's working there.
Yay.
That one's working. I checked it earlier.
Cool. And then our shore power going into the house.
Yep.
And that comes around to here. So what's left on the electric?
What's left on what?
What's left on the electric?
On the electric, we need to get the lithium battery hooked up. I'm not too sure about how it wires into, if you're going down the road and it's hooked up to the truck. It used to be able to power off of that, but because I think the truck is lead acid, I don't have a DC to DC regulator for the lithium, because lithium batteries are different, and I don't want to overcharge or mess that up. And I need to make sure that the trailer lighting for towing is different than the house
Lighting.
12 volts. So
Gotcha.
I need to make sure all of that's correct. But that should be about, oh yeah, and the water heater. And I can't do the water heater until I have water.
And gas.
Well, maybe gas. I'm not too sure of that system, but I think the gas has to be on even for the electric to work because of the safety, something that I don't quite understand yet. But to run the 120 volt to the water heater, I need to have water in it so I don't burn up the...
For months, Cory's been wrestling with what we affectionately call the spaghetti monster, the complex, salvaged wiring that makes up Lake Calamita's nervous system. And today, the monster has been tamed. We have power. Actual, flowing, 12-volt and 120-volt glory. It's not 100% tucked away yet. It still needs some serious tweaking. But the fridge circuit is live, the microwave is ready for popcorn, and we finally have light. While Cory was playing Zeus with the electricity, I've been tackling the smaller Renaissance details. Remember that old fridge access door? It's officially transitioned into our field desk. Getting that new latch installed felt like the punctuation mark on a very long sentence. It's those small, repurposed victories that keep us going. There is something incredibly sweet about hitting this milestone before the calendar flips to 2026. We bought this Calamity thinking it was a 1-month flip, and here we are, over a year later, just now seeing the lights come on. It's been a lesson in patience, communication, and the sheer power of salvaged 14-gauge Romax. As we head into the new year, we aren't just looking at a project. We're looking at our true north finally starting to shine. From our holiday mess to yours, thanks for sticking with the adventure. Next stop, Bhutan. But first, we might actually be able to cold store a beer in that new fridge. Happy New Year.
So
always an adventure?
It's definitely an adventure.
Careful. We don't need that kind of electrifying adventure. Always an adventure.
Always.
That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.